This is going to be huge. This is going to really help Terra Classic. Binance, the biggest burner of Terra Classic LUNC, they are set to burn over 110 billion coins of Terra Classic before the end of this year, 2023. Now, Binance have already destroyed 32 to 33 billion coins, and I believe achieving this mark, definitely they need more. They need about 80 billion coins. Okay, they need to burn about 80 billion coins in order to hit that 110 billion. And can they do it? Yes, we still have 6 months to go. That was the time Binance was able to burn over 11 to 12 billion coins in a single month. And I believe that yes, that's a possibility. This will only happen once the trading volume of Terra Classic increases more. And if Binance start controlling again about 60% of the trading volume of Terra Classic, earlier they've been controlling between 58 to 61% of Terra Classic, which leads to a lot of burn. And I believe that though the trading volume Binance have been controlling have really reduced, but if Binance can hit back over 50%, controlling 50% of LUNC trading volume, and if Terra Classic trading volume increases more again before the end of this year, definitely Binance will be burning more coin. And also they also want to start burning 100%. Remember, Binance in the past few months they have been burning just 50% of the tax burn. Okay, so there have been plans for them to start burning completely 100% of the tax burn, and I believe that will also increase the burning of Terra Classic by Binance. All this while Binance have not been burning, they've been burning just 50%. If you know that Binance have been destroying most times 2 to 3 billion coins in a month, and I believe if they can burn complete, definitely that number will hit about 5 to 6 billion. And also Binance have also been, they have different projects to help increase the burning of Terra Classic, which I believe if they can really achieve this goal, achieve this their project, this is their plan of helping Terra Classic, Binance can burn over 10-15 billion coins, which I know before the end of this year 2023 they can destroy about 80 to 100 billion coins of Terra Classic. That means there's a possibility that they can achieve that 110 billion burn goal before the end of 2023. And I believe if they achieve that, definitely it's going to help LUNC coins. So let's hope for the best, and I believe that Terra Classic is really returning. Terra Classic is really reviving back to what it is. So let's hope for the best. Remember, this on the finished your advice. So please once again kindly share this video, like our video, drop a comment in the comment section for any questions. Thank you for stopping by.